Hey guys, welcome back to Our Texas Homestead. Today I'm going to be making basically this is Tabasco peppers and vinegar. So we grew some Tabasco peppers this year. So I'll bring you down here. I'm just cutting the tops off of them. And they're pretty spicy, so I don't want to get it on my fingers. So you just cut the little, see it's got this little part was connected to the stem. So you just cut that off, pop it in a little bottle. And then we're just going to cover it up with white vinegar. And I guess if y'all haven't heard, y'all got to pay attention to your percent acidity this year, because they got some vinegar out there that's like 4%, and I guess that's not good for preserving food. So let's see if I can pour this in here without making a mess. And then you can use the peppers twice, from what I've been told, so I'm going to fill this one back up. And then all you gotta do is let it set for about 6 weeks, and then you got same as this. So you see some orange peppers in here. I picked a few of them, but all the rest of them on the plant I'm saving, and I'm gonna make some Tabasco sauce later on this summer when they all get ready. So I'll bring you back then. Hope you like this quick little video, and we'll see you next time.